Now we're ready.
Hi, I'm Gil Hopelick with Independent Building Inspections. We did the inspection today as Monday the 9th. We're going to start off talking about the 3-bedroom house. This is an older house with some deferred maintenance over the years. Start with the roof. I know you got a roof inspection, but I do touch into that. It's an older roof. My comments are at or nearing the end of its life. There's some damaged shingles up there, a lack of gutters, some other defects that I called up there. Some improper flashing around the old chimney flue. On the exterior, the siding is a suspect asbestos-containing material with a lot of damage. There's a front porch here we're looking at, improper rises of steps at the front. It can be a trip hazard. Lack of proper height and opening to the guardrail around the front porch area. There's obviously some earthwood contact around various places around the exterior. There's termite damage at the eaves in various places. Really a lot of weathering to the trim work and eaves. Over here on the south side, a few issues. First off, drainage improvements are needed all the way around. Poor drainage, lack of gutters, whatever can be done. This is the furnace flue that comes up on the exterior from the gravity furnace down below. It's got improper clearance to wood at the top. The furnace, gravity furnace was not lit. I don't know if it's functional or not. Should have the gas company come out. Excessive weathering to windows. Basically these windows need replacing, most if not all. Over here, water heater. This is an old 40 gallon. It's probably around 15 years old, so it's near the end of its life. I couldn't get a water pressure test from here because just due to the age, I didn't want to touch that valve. The vent pipe that goes up through here should have proper clearance through the ceiling itself and the wood at the eaves. At the single wall vent pipe, it's required to have 4-inch clearance. It can be changed out for a 1-inch vent pipe. A double wall. Let me start again. Single wall vent pipe right now, and it requires 4-inch clearance. If you change it out to a double wall vent pipe, you only need 1-inch clearance. It'll probably be the easiest fix for that. But you gotta figure this has limited life in here. Also,
no straps?
No straps. Also, no combustion venting. It should have an upper and lower combustion vent on the door.
Okay.
And we gotta walk the other way because this gate doesn't open.
Right. Okay. Walking around the front of the house again.
Over at the north side of the house, I'm calling the house facing east. Go by the directions of the streets here. So this is your main panel up here. A few things going on inside. There's some fried wires in here that really need to be addressed. Get an electrician. Basically, the whole system needs to be gone through by an electrician. Improve the labeling here. There is no main breaker for this. No main breaker for this. If this is the main, it should have a main breaker for 6 and over circuits. Hole in here should be closed up or sealed up so kids can't stick their fingers in.
Got it.
Contact places. The subway access down there. We'll talk about that later. Moisture damage, base of siding in places. More damaged siding, suspect asbestos material. You can see there's more moisture damage or termite damage around the eaves and fascias in places. There has been some upgrades to ABS over the years when the old cast iron lines have failed. There are some remaining cast iron sewer lines down below, which has some of the sections have excessive corrosion. It's time to change those out. You got to figure just due to the age of the house, these lines are at any remaining cast iron is at the end of its life. Even if it's still being used, you know, it's going to be need changing out. See, there's moisture damage in some of these windows. Most of these windows do need replacing. This is an addition out here. I think it's an enclosed back porch or something like that. It looks like to me. And, I mean, there's other things around the exterior. There's a lot of things that you know, due to this amount of storage around the exterior and on the interior, I'm unable to get to all areas where we get a good synopsis of what's going on with all the systems here. And that's about it on the exterior that I remember right now. Outside?
Or why don't you do it out here if you can? Can you?
Yeah, I can't remember exactly what's
Okay.
going on.
Okay, we're gonna shut off the video and go inside.